Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to stop your search engine from changing to Yahoo. This can be really annoying, but don't worry, it's a simple fix. Let's get started. First, let's check your default search engine settings. Click on the three dots or lines at the top right corner of your browser to open the menu. From there, select Settings. Then find the Search Engine section and click on it. Now let's make sure your default search engine is set correctly. In the search engine section, you'll see your current search engine. There could be a drop-down menu or a change button. Just click on that and select your preferred search engine, like Google or Bing. Then click on Set as Default. Below that, click on Manage Search Engines and Site Search, or something like that. Here, you can see all the search engines added to your browser. Remove Yahoo if you don't want it as an option by clicking on the three dots next to it and selecting Delete. Then confirm by clicking Delete again. Sometimes extensions or add-ons might change your search engine. Go back to the main settings menu and find the section for extensions or add-ons. For Chrome, you're going to click on Manage Extensions. Look through your installed extensions and disable or remove any that you don't recognize or that you suspect might be causing the issue. Malware or adware can also change your search engine settings. Let's make sure your computer is clean. Use your antivirus software to run a full system scan. If you don't have one, there are free options like Malwarebytes you can download and use. If the scan finds any threats, follow the instructions to remove them. If your search engine keeps changing back to Yahoo, you might need to reset your browser settings. In the Settings menu, look for an option that says Reset Settings or Restore Settings. Then click on Restore Settings to their original defaults. Follow the prompts to reset your browser. This will restore the default settings and remove any unwanted changes. And that's it. Now you know how to stop your search engine from changing to Yahoo. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more how-to videos.